Welcome to question number 10 from the June 2016 Algebra 2 exam. So we're given this formula here, and we're trying to figure out which scenario it would match best. Now, the first thing we notice is that we have 0.80 here being multiplied by the previous term. So this is clearly an example of something in regression. In other words, it's decreasing. I mean, anytime you multiply, well, if we multiply 3,000 times 0.80, it's decreasing, right? And then each iteration after that, it's going to continue decreasing. So knowing that, we can read the first one saying that each row has 80 more seats was clearly going to be wrong because it's decreasing. Similarly, we know that option number 3 is wrong because it's talking about something growing by 80%. Now, reading further into option number 2, it states that the last row of a stadium has 3,000 seats, and each row before it has 80 fewer seats than the row behind it. Well, 80 fewer would involve subtraction, right? I mean, it would be 3,000, and then the next seat, or sorry, the next row would have 3,000 minus 80. And then after that, you would subtract 80 again. So that has nothing to do with multiplication at all. So clearly that's going to be wrong. So in the end, option number 4 is correct. And we can see that's the case because we have an initial value of a toy at $3,000, and each year after that, it's decreasing in value by 20%. And that makes sense because if we take 1 and subtract 20%, we would get 0.80. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.